By pressing this sync button up here, the beats of the track in this deck will sync with the beats of the track playing in this deck. When I hit sync, notice how the tempo of the track in deck B automatically adjusts to match the tempo of the track in deck A. So I'm going to start the second track right at the beginning, on the first beat of a bar, 1.1.1 up here on the beats counter. And I've already found the beat on the first track where I want to bring it in, also on the first beat of a bar, 17.1.1, which is also the beginning of a new phrase. I've put a cue point, this little flag with a number 2 on it, more on those later, on the beat as a visual reminder to press play on the second track at exactly that moment. Let's give it a go. I'm going to switch to parallel view so you can really see how the beats line up.